we have solve 4 times 2x minus 3 equal to 24. So here it's pretty simple. You just need to open the brackets and multiply 4 with everything inside the bracket. So that will give you 8x minus 12 equal to 24. Send this to the other side. So that is 8x equal to 24 plus 12. So that is x equal to 24 plus 12 upon 8. And when you do the calculations, you get the answer as 4.5. That's the value of x. Next we have 6x plus 4 is greater than 6. So this is an inequality. It's done just the same way as an equation. You just need to isolate all the x terms on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take 14 to the other side. So that would be 6x greater than 6 minus 14, because I'm changing the side for 14. So from plus it becomes minus. So that would be x greater than 6 minus 14 upon 6. And when you solve this, you get x greater than minus 4 upon 3. That's the value of x. It can be any value greater than minus 4 by 3. Next, rearrange the formula v equal to 2x cube minus 3y cube to make y the subject. So they want you to make y as the subject. So you need y on one side and everything else to the other side. So let's just do that. I'm going to take y on one side and v to the other side. So that will give us 3y cube is equals to 2x cube minus v. Now we'll take 3 to the other side. So we have y cube equal to 2x cube minus v upon 3. Now we have to get rid of this power 3 over here. So we're just going to take that to the other side. So it becomes 1 by 3rd. So, or cubed root. So that would be cubed root of 2x cube minus v upon 3. That's how you solve it. Next we have show that 2n minus 5 whole square minus 13 is a multiple of 4 for all integer values of n. So let's start with this expression over here. Let me just open the brackets first. So when I do that, I get, this is basically in the form of a minus b whole square. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I'm going to do just that. So that would be 2n square plus 5 square minus 2 times 2n into 5, and then we have a 13 over here, minus 13. So we're going to write as it is. So that would be 4n square minus 20n plus 12. Now take 4 common, you'll get n square minus 5n plus 3. So as you can see that this expression has 4 as the common term, which means it is divisible by 4. So it is a multiple of 4 for all integer values of n. So no matter what your value of n is, for any integer value, you know that it's going to be a multiple of 4. So that's how you prove it. Next we have the expression 5 plus 12x minus 2x square can be rewritten in the form q minus 2 times x plus p whole square. Find the value of p and the value of q. Alright, now let me just take this expression and manipulate it in such a way that I end up with an expression which is in this form. So let's do that. The first thing I'm going to do is take 2 common in these two terms, because both of them are divisible by 2. So I'm going to do just that. So I'll get 6x minus x square. I'll take minus 2 common because I want x square to be the first term inside the bracket. So this is the first step. I'm just taking minus 2 common in the last 2 terms. Now this term I can write it as x minus 3 whole square minus 9. So why am I doing this? Because when you open this bracket, it's in the form of a minus b whole square. So when you open this bracket, you still will get x square minus 6x. So let me show you that. So it will be x square plus 9 minus 6x, and then you have a minus 9 over here. So here this 9 and this 9 gets cancelled, you're left with x minus 6x. So as you can see, the same expression I can rewrite it this way. Why am I doing that? You'll get to know in a second. So here we have 5 minus 2 times of x minus 3 whole square minus 9. Now just open the brackets, you get 5 minus 2 times of x minus 3 square plus 18. And when you solve this, you get 23 minus 2 times of x minus 3 whole square. Now if you observe, it is in this form over here, where q is 23 and p is minus 3.